Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU future level 11.0 shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance select settings. Select advanced tab under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After that, select a custom size. Now you just need to find how much GP RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see your installed RAM in your PC. After knowing that, just close stuff here. Now check my video description for these values used in my video. Installer size and maximum size. Copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case I have 16 GB RAM, so I am copying this value. The same thing for maximum size. Copy the value depends on your RAM and select the set option. And now the value should be set under paging file size. Select the OK option. Select OK. Select the play and OK for save changes. Select OK. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.